Narrated Ibn Abbas, the Prophet, said, I was shown the hellfire and that the majority of its dwellers were women who were ungrateful. It was asked, do they disbelieve in Allah, or are they ungrateful to Allah? He replied, they are ungrateful to their husbands and are ungrateful for the favors and the good charitable deeds done to them. If you have always been good, benevolent to one of them and then she sees something in you, not of her liking, she will say, I have never received any good from you. Thank you brothers and sisters for watching and listening on Hadith Reminders. Hit the like button and subscribe and support us by clicking the link in the bio.